Greetings, friends! Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. And look at the sensational beauty that stands before you. My friends, this is natural amber. Absolutely phenomenal stuff. Amber is a type of prehistoric resin that formed as a protective layer over trees over 90 million years ago. Absolutely incredible. It's got all kinds of little gnats, tiny little insects, bits of leaves, bits of biological matter, which why normally would be boring, fossilized into this natural amber over 90 million years ago. And this one has a hole in it where a branch grew through it. Truly incredible, truly unique. And without any further ado, friends, let's take a closer look at this true marvel of Mother Nature. Yes, indeed, friends, absolutely miraculous. This stuff is so fascinating. Lord only knows what kind of stuff is in there. Oh, check that out. Looks like a cricket or some type of insect that existed over 90 millions of years ago. Let's bring her into the light. Unreal, friends. So much beauty to explore, so much mystery in Mother Nature. Absolutely sensational. Unreal. Something you can look at for years to come and continue to find more gorgeous beauties. Nothing like natural amber, especially like this, friends. And she could be yours at CosmicCuts.com.